Hi, hello. This is Monster the Maintenance Man. And I don't know if this is going to be my first video or not, but yeah, here we are. There is a gas shut off. Let's see. So I've been called. I don't even know if I can. This camera is terrible. We have a gas leak today. Gas leak. We have a gas shut off today. They want me to turn the gas back on, so I'm going to show you all how to do that today in an industrial sense. Fairly simple. Don't smoke. That's probably number one right there. Oh no. What is this? Actually, that's not good at all. Okay, I thought that was just gonna click. It's usually supposed to. Okay, fuck me. Yeah, that's supposed to be how you reset it. Something's amiss here. I'll be back. Okay, so one lesson in maintenance. Sometimes it's not your problem, and you call the city to come do the work for you, and then you get out before you have to babysit them for 5 hours, and you miss your lunchtime because yeah, fuck that, dude.